Hello everyone, welcome you all to Strategy Sangamam in the segment of Manage the World of Management. How are you all? We are all doing great. It's been a long time since we meet in this segment, right? Very sorry about that and we'll meet often. Today's video is about the very wonderful and a very important topic required to each and everyone in our life. Yes, today I am going to share you all some of the easy tips and tricks we can follow to have a proper money management. These tips and tricks are not so technical, but we can follow very easily in our day-to-day life. I assure you this will definitely help to each and every one of you, and these are some of the basic tricks what me and my family is following to have a good money management. Today's video is about the 10 easy tips for money management, and this is part 1, and let's see part 2 of money management tips in the later video. The first and the most important thing we need to do is a strict budget. Why I am saying this as a strict budget in the sense, we all do budgeting but we never used to follow. That is a problem everywhere exists. So if you are having an idea to make a budget, sit along with your family members and have a proper discussion. It is not a problem that you are taking enough time to decide what the thing is required in your budget. Because once you make a proper budget, definitely that will give you an idea how you are going to spend each and every penny in your packet. So that is the reason budgeting is a very important thing. So you have to allocate the money to each and everything which you require to buy or you going to spend in your entire month or maybe throughout your period. So that is why there should be a strict budget. And also you can follow two methods, either the annual budget or a monthly one. In case if you feel all the thing what you are going to prepare as a budget which you can follow throughout the year means you can make a budget for your entire year. Or else if you feel your budget or your expenses may getting varied every month, in the sense you can make a monthly budget. And this budgeting is a very important technique, and this is also having so many things to know and learn. So let's have about this budgeting in detail in a separate video. The second important tips we can follow easily is maintaining accounts. Maintaining accounts in the sense not a technical thing, it will be very easy to follow by each and everyone in a simple way. No matter we need to be a family head to maintain accounts. Everybody can do it. You may be a school going person or maybe a working person, whomever you are. You need to maintain an accounts what are all the expenses you are making for you or maybe for your family. This is the practice I learned from my father. He used to maintain accounts for each and every expenses what he is making. So I started to follow from my very early childhood age. And also this maintaining of accounts will definitely help you to know at the end of the month like what you have done, whether the expenses what you met is useful one or maybe you spent in an unnecessary manner. And also that will help you to identify all the do's and don'ts of your financial aspects. And definitely that will help you to rectify the mistakes what you made during your expenses. So this is one of the important thing you can follow very easily. The third very important and unique and very interesting tips for money management is wastages expenses account. It means what are the things we are wasting in our everyday life. Sometimes we may use the things in an improper way or may getting things wasted unnecessarily. Example, groceries, market produce, like that. We buy everything every day, but we never use them in a proper way. At the end of the day, definitely we will see we have wasted something. So, while wasting everything, we need to maintain a accounts separately for that. That is called wastages expenses account. So, you have to maintain this parallel to the accounts maintenance thing what we are going to do hereafter. At the end of the day, you just calculate everything what you have wasted and mention it clearly. It may be a small amount or a big thing, even a small penny, you just maintain that as a wastage expenses. This may look very simple and you may wonder why these simple things need to be added or to be considered. I assure you, definitely this will help you to avoid the wastages and we reduces the expenses automatically. Try this and let us know in the comment section. The next and the very easily possible tips we can follow is to prioritize our needs. It means we need to identify what is our needs and wants. There is a difference between needs and wants. Need is a very necessary thing and wants is a possibly movable thing, like we can prioritize what is needed later. So in that basis we have to decide. We can take an example. If you are going to a shopping, definitely we will tempted to buy something which is not in our buying list. So that makes a unnecessary expenses. So this is the situation we need to think properly and have to decide in a very conscious manner whether these things are needed or is there any urgency in buying such items, or we can postpone those things. So such thinking and mature decision will help us to identify and prioritize our needs, and that will helps to reduce the unnecessary expenses. So we can save and manage our money easily and brilliantly. Your wise decision in such a situation means a lot and matters a lot. The next and the very easy to use possible money management tip is the maximum usage of anything. It means the effective and the efficient utilization of the available resources. So whatever the things we are having, we have to use it in a maximum way. All the concepts what we are discussing as of now and the future points is like similar to the management concepts, because management is everywhere, right? Management is for life. So how long and how well we are using a particular thing, that is what the maximum usage. All these money management tips are applicable to family, business, even for the individual in any aspects. The thing is using everything at its max. So this maximum usage is the wise and a proper way of using everything in a maximum and a possible way. This practice definitely will help us to avoiding wastages and we won't throw any items easily. Example, you all might have seen our kitchen tour video. I mentioned many of the things like how possibly I used each and every item in my house as well as in kitchen without wasting or without throwing them easily. Likewise, you can also try to use the things without wasting and throwing them easily. You may also have some ideas with you, so share them in our comment section. So think and use the things wisely. The next money management tip is somewhat similar to the previous one. So the fifth tip is maximum usage. How well we are using one particular item again and again at its end and at its max. And this is about the multiple usage. It means using a simple or a single or a particular thing in a multiple way. If you are having one particular item, take an example. You have a table. Imagine in what all the different and possible way you can use that particular table multiply. So this picture will help you to understand. So if you have a table like this, what are all the multiple aspects or multiple way you can use that particular table instead of buying multiple shelves, racks like that. Likewise, we have so many examples like our gadgets, mobile, tab, Kindle, laptop, iPod, etc. and so many other things. And also this thing will be applicable to your house, office or in any situation. So try to think and use each and every item in a multiple way. Definitely that will also help you to manage your money by avoiding unwanted expenses of buying a multiple things. The next and the very easy money management tips is liquid cash maintenance and its usage, like the earlier days. So in earlier period, we used to have the liquid cash for each and every expenses monthly or weekly. That is what we did. And nowadays there is a big thing called the debit cards, credit cards, all of these different new things which is making us to do so many unwanted and unnecessary expenses. Sometimes we are taking this as a advantageous one, but fact is that is a very big unwanted thing and things to be avoiding one. So instead of using that cards like debit card or credit card, if we are using a liquid cash, like we will make a plan like for this particular month, this is what the expenses I am going to do. So we should have a liquid cash in hand and we have to make each and every expenses by using that cash. Definitely that liquid cash spending will helps us to be aware all the time and alert to spend till the end of the month. That alertness will helps a lot to reduce the expenses and also to avoid the unwanted expenses. Actually, this debit and credit card kind of thing is a burden. Definitely that will make so many unwanted and unnecessary issues for us. In US and other places, this credit card is a kind of unavoidable thing to be used by many people. This has so many reasons. This credit card usage is having a very big story behind and having some of the tricks by the companies and different organizations. This is a big thing, so let us discuss about this in a separate video. The next money management tips is multiple saving schemes. We all have a practice of savings. So if we are having this practice in a compulsory manner, definitely that will help us to save by today and will have a benefit by tomorrow. We have so many multiple saving schemes like chits, like monthly chits. We may save in bank account or maybe kind of recurring deposits and some other different schemes. And this also we have so many things to discuss, so let us have a separate video about the saving schemes and definitely you will get a good idea about it. So if you have a plan of doing such saving schemes, sit along with your family members and have a proper discussion and think in a wise manner, then take a decision according to your situation and available funds, like which saving scheme will be best suitable for us or in which way we can make our savings like that. So this will helps a lot and try it and let us know in the comment section. The next related money management tips similar to savings is investment. Both are looks like similar but is having a very big differences between each other. Everybody will prefer to invest in a different way. Some people will likes to invest in stocks, shares and in golds. It may be a jewelry or maybe a bar or maybe in any immovable assets or maybe in a movable assets. This investment is a very big thing to know and to learn in a different way, and we'll have a separate and a big video about this investment. In fact, this investment management is a separate subject in the field of management. So obviously we have so many things to learn about investment, right? So your income is big or even very small. Please have a habit of investing in any possible sources according to your wish, and definitely that will help you in a future in a very big manner. Please try this at any situation and at any cost. Here comes the final tips of the day, the very important and easy to follow money management tip. It is the practice every one of us used to do from our childhood, and which is none other than the penny savings in piggy bank. Yes, we all of us have a habit in our childhood with a very big interest of saving money. This is what the thing we used to do. So we used to get money from our parents we like to fill our piggy bank, and we will try to buy something new or we will expand our savings. So after we grow, we forgot about it, but still some people used to follow. Take a simple example. If you are having 100 rupees in hand to buy something for your requirement, definitely by following all our money management tips, you will use and you will spend the money wisely. And if you have some 10 or 15 rupees as a balance, means just imagine, instead of keeping it somewhere, if you are saving that in your piggy bank. If we keep it outside, we will waste it or spend it sometimes in an unnecessary manner. Even a small single paise or maybe a small penny, we should save it in a piggy bank, because we know each and every drop will turn into an ocean, right? If you are doing like this continuously, after some times, definitely you will see a big result out of it. We personally used to practice this thing and we have a very good results and a surprising savings of having this piggy bank idea. You also try like this, definitely you will see a very big result one day. So try it and let us know in the comment section. These are all the different money management tips we used to follow in our day-to-day life, and we felt that definitely this will also help to each and every one of you. So that is the reason we have shared about this. If any of these ideas are very new to you, please try it and let us know in the comment box how you experienced about this. And hereafter, each and every video which we plan to share both in English and Tamil will be releasing in a same time. Sorry about this delay release of the money management video. And if you are seeing our channel for the first time, subscribe, like and share it to other people. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future notification, and parallelly visit our another channel, Shakti's Knowledge Hub, which is completely for education, career and personality development purpose. Do visit if you like, if you are also required, and if you are also interested, subscribe and share it to others. We'll see you all soon in our next video. Manage the management and the management will manage you. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.